I recently started a brand new YouTube channel and was able to get it monetized within only 30 days. I'm going to show you everything I learned from beginning to end on why my channel was able to quickly reach the monetization goal. Here's how you can do the same with monetizing your channel and start collecting ad revenue. The first thing I immediately did before creating a fresh new account on YouTube was picking a niche that I was comfortable and familiar with. In my case, I chose the sports niche. While picking a niche, I made sure to check that it was something that was popular on YouTube and had potential for explosive growth. To check, I went on YouTube and searched up some popular keywords in my niche, such as NBA moments, since I chose sports, primarily basketball, as my main niche. Then I would scroll through various videos on YouTube and make note of the videos that had a high performance. This doesn't apply exclusively towards the sports niche. The process of picking a niche and then researching different video ideas will help jumpstart your channel to get traction applies to any other niche out there. On top of all this, you want to have a schedule that you're willing to go by and follow every single day. Don't expect yourself to follow through right from the beginning and force yourself to make 3 high quality 10-minute videos when in reality that's not even possible. It's better to take your time and focus on providing more value to your channel rather than pushing yourself to post a video just because you feel like it. Personally, I followed a 1 to 2 weekly upload schedule and was able to see success in my videos since they were high quality. The second step is researching video ideas to efficiently pick out a unique topic that will help bring your channel views. If you create a video which no one wants to watch, well, simply no one will watch. This is why it's important to use tools such as vidIQ and the YouTube research tool, which is located in your YouTube studio. In vidIQ, all you have to do is sign in with your Google account and you'll be able to access a bunch of tools that will help give you ideas of some of the most popular keywords and video ideas that people are making at the current moment. With this, you are able to see what people really enjoy watching, and then you're able to better utilize that to see what type of content to create surrounding that topic. vidIQ is free, so if you want to go use it, I have it linked in my description. The third and final step is execution. After picking a niche and then doing research on video ideas, it is now time to work and edit your masterpiece. In your video, you want to waste no time and always keep your viewers engaged and hooked in your video. For example, if you're creating a video talking about how to make money online, you shouldn't be sidetracked and talk about how making money in person is worse. The video topic is about how to make money online, so the sole focus should be providing value and information to viewers on how they can just do this. Videos that are concise and clear provide more value for viewers and in return forces them to focus and watch your video. Average view duration is an important metric that YouTube considers when determining whether a video is good or bad. If your video's average view duration is high and many viewers are staying to the end of the video, YouTube will see this positively and then push out your videos to a wider audience. This will cause your viewer count to rise and in return increases exposure to your YouTube channel. Your main focus should always be to keep viewers watching your video. The better you are able to do this, the more success you will see yourself have of reaching YouTube monetization. Congratulations if you made it this far. That might have been a handful, but now that you know these tricks that have helped me monetize my channel in 30 days, it is now your turn to go out in the YouTube world and do this for yourself. Comment down below your progress so far, and if you received any value from this video, please feel free to subscribe for future videos. Peace.